Did you know Britain's most elaborate diamond heist was actually the perfect police trap? In November 2000, four professional criminals spent months casing London's Millennium Dome. Disguised as tourists, they identified the location of £350 million worth of De Beers diamonds. They mapped every security camera, every guard rotation, every possible weakness. Their plan was flawless. Steal a JCB excavator, smash through the dome's walls, grab the diamonds, and escape via speedboat on the Thames. They had smoke grenades for cover and split-second timing down to the minute. On November 7th, they executed their masterpiece. The excavator crashed through the walls exactly as planned. But instead of diamonds, 200 armed flying squad officers were waiting inside. The police had been watching them for months, turning their perfect heist into Britain's most sophisticated sting operation. Every reconnaissance trip, every planning session had been monitored. The criminals walked straight into the trap they thought they were setting.